What's up? I'm here with Nick and Dennis. We're headed to SAC for a gravel grinder, and it's also Perry Roubaix, the original gravel grinder for roadies.
Curtis, what are we doing today?
We're doing the Flannel Grinder.
What?
We're in the foothills of California. We're in Meadow Vista in Auburn.
Take us through the day so far.
So I got a flat 5 miles in.
See how good the ceiling is, how big the hole is.
Are we 5 miles in?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm just getting some content for you, dude.
Got that fixed.
Be grateful. Hashtag blessed.
We regrouped together. I stopped to take pictures. You guys kept riding. Saw you guys were like 10 seconds up for about 15 minutes. Then started chasing. And I eventually caught you guys.
Amazing.
So now we're back.
Back together. The band's back together.
The band.
We amigos back together.
Dennis, I want to talk to you about gear. Or is this your first time riding with flannel on?
This is the first time that I know of.
It's like 57 degrees right now.
Perfect temperature
You think?
for a flannel.
My back is getting pretty sticky.
What happens when you ride tempo, bro?
Roll out. We're gonna head to a dam, check out the views, and then head back. We don't really feel like doing another 4 hours on the bike.
If I would be a drink flavor, what flavor would I be? Grape flavor. Yes.
This is how I feel sometimes at the speed in which I climb.
There to the corner.
Heading back to the parking lot. We're gonna finish up with some tacos. I'm cramping in the hamstring.
That's it. We're done. Peace out.